Yo! Alright, the footage you guys are about to see is a little bit old, but it's kind of like my backup video. This is good advice for my fellow YouTubers. Always have like a backup video because my plans fell out for the video this weekend. Before I get into today's video, thank you guys for 300 subscribers. It means so much to me. And we just hit 1,000 views on a video for the first time ever, so that's crazy. Let's keep it up and see where the channel can go. In today's video, guys, we have the Acuity Performance shifter spring upgrades. So these actually go in your transmission and they're an upgrade from the stock to make your shifting feel more direct. Honestly, shout out to these guys, Acuity, they're great. I watched one of their interviews on like how they started and stuff, and these guys are like dedicated to making the best products, and honestly they even race like on track to test the products out. That's great. Also, they're really supportive. They did in my last video, just click up here for the Acuity shifter, they actually watched it and messaged me on Instagram and stuff, so that's pretty dope. Those guys, you guys have my support. This is going to require a lot more in-depth because these actually go inside the transmission like I was saying. So let's get after it. Alright, so I'm probably gonna have to take off my cold air intake, take off my shift cables, and then there's gonna be 4, I think is what it's looking like, and then there's a hex key right here to take this all off. Then this is Honda bonded, so you can just take that off. You're gonna have to pry it off, but yeah, let's get it. Had to loosen this bracket that holds this clutch line in. It has a flexible hose, so that's not actually brake fluid. That's WD-40 because I had to lube this thing up, but we got it out. So now we're gonna pull this whole assembly off. That was so much effort. I moved the sensor and honestly did a lot of stuff that I was not ready for. I'm gonna grab this out and take it inside, throw everything back in, clean it up, throw it back in, put Honda Bond on it, let her sit. Alright, so I finally got this out. It was a pain in the ass. So there's a bolt on here, it's a 12. You're gonna carefully take this off and make sure everything stays together and aligned, because alignment matters. This is so disgusting. Like, this is gross. Oh. Once you take this bolt off, you'll notice things just start flying. There's a washer right here, almost lost. This is gonna come off. Once again, alignment is so important. And as you can see, this is where the Honda Bond gets put. So we'll do that eventually, but for right now, we'll stick to this. So it just slides off. That simple. These are the springs we're going to be replacing. So yeah, let's get it. So stock, very easy. Just compress. Acuity, a little harder. That actually hurts. Same with this one. So yeah. Be careful, there is a washer up here, so just make sure you don't fuck that up. And then slide your hold back on. Be sure to torque this down to its spec. I don't know the spec, I didn't torque it, but I'm telling you guys. Probably throw the rest of the car together tomorrow, so yeah. Finally got it all put back together. Make sure you put Honda Bond on this screw, the hex that you took out. This was a hassle. I told you guys to keep this aligned because I didn't, and this took me way too long. I don't even know if it's gonna work, so, but I realigned it to the best of my abilities. I have an Acuity short throw shifter. If you didn't see the video, go check it out. It's on my channel.
This spring is amazing. It feels so much like snappier when I'm just like moving the shifter, and it kind of takes a lot more like muscle, but it just feels way more solid. By the way, Merry Christmas. It was going to be a surprise. I was going to do a little video with her antlers, but yeah, one fell off and got ran over by another driver, so she just has a red nose on, and basically saying this car's a clown because that's what its owner is. I'm telling you guys, you need the spring, you need the shifter, you need the base bushings, you need the shifter bushings, all that, and this car will be feeling, it makes me want to drive the car so much more. This upgrade is like, makes me feel like I have a solid platform to build on. These shifter upgrades from Acuity can change the way you feel about your car, and it did for me. And I'm telling you, this isn't me just trying to sell their products. Their products speak for themselves. If you know me in real life, or if you know anyone that has these upgrades, go try it out. Come up to me, ask me, hey, can I sit in your car, feel your shifter? 100%, because Acuity, I'm telling you, is the way to go. Their brand speaks for themselves. I will 100% always let someone feel my shifter and my setup because of Acuity. All right, I'm done trying to get them to sponsor me. No, I'm just playing. Next video next week. It should be up Friday. That's Friday, December 18th. I'm telling you, mark your calendars. I'll set it as premiere. It's a big announcement. I'm super excited. Hopefully you guys will be excited as well if you watch the channel. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Peace.